Some things are better together, and this Bosch Series 8 washer and dryer set is the complete package. This perfect pairing includes a 9 kg front load washer and a 9 kg heat pump dryer, making both well suited for medium to large households. Now, as you can see, the control panels on both appliances have a similar design. This provides a more intuitive experience when navigating the controls of both units. The design also ensures they elegantly match when installed side by side or stacked vertically with an optional stacking kit. Precise care is paramount when it comes to laundry, and that's why both machines have an extensive range of everyday, specialised and timed programs to suit your schedule, as well as specific fabric and garment types. Now, in terms of efficiency, this total package has earned high marks. The washer boasts an impressive 4.5 stars for both energy and water ratings. Additionally, you can activate the washer's Vario Perfect programs, which are designed to further optimize energy usage and reduce cycle duration. And of course, not to be outdone, the ultra-efficient heat pump dryer has an outstanding 8-star energy rating. Thanks to Bosch's active air technology, this dryer efficiently reuses existing heat for a more economical way to dry your clothes. Cut down costs and minimize your environmental impact with this laundry dream team from Bosch. Thanks so much for watching.